Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to unlock YouTube monetization with a step-by-step guide. By the end of this video, you'll be well on your way to making money from your YouTube content. So, let's get started. Step 1. Meet the requirements. YouTube has strict guidelines for monetization. To be eligible, you need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time on your channel within the last 12 months. Step 2. Create valuable content. Quality is key here. Make sure your videos are engaging, informative, and entertaining. Engage with your audience through comments, and ask them to subscribe and share your content. Step 3. Optimize your video title, description, and tags. Use relevant keywords that will help your videos appear in search results. This will increase visibility and potential views. Step 4. Promote your videos. Share them on social media platforms, your website, and with friends and family. Collaborating with other YouTubers can also help expand your reach and gain more subscribers. Step 5. Join the YouTube Partner Program when you meet the requirements. This program enables monetization on your channel. To join, go to your YouTube studio, click on Monetization, and follow the instructions. Step 6. Enable monetization on your videos. In YouTube Studio, select the videos you want to monetize, and turn on the monetization option. Step 7. Grow your audience and increase watch time. Keep creating valuable content and engaging with your viewers. Encourage them to watch your videos till the end and share them with others. Congratulations! You've unlocked YouTube monetization. Keep up the good work and continue to grow your channel.